Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be doing a free code cam react section challenge called use prop types to define the props you expect. So it says React provides useful type checking features to verify that components receive props of the correct type. For example, your application makes an API call to retrieve data that you should expect to be in an array, which is then passed to a component as a prop. You can set prop types on your component to require data to be of array. To be of the type array. This will throw a useful warning when the data is of any other type. It's considered a best practice to set prop types when you know the type of prop ahead of time. You can define a prop type property for a component in the same way you define default props. Doing this will change that props of given key are present within the given type. Here's an example to require the type function for a prop called handle check. Alright, so in this way it shows us this code here. So in this example, the prop types, which is this one, the prop types, it checks the handle click is a function or not, and adding is required and tells React that handle click is a required property for that component. Alright, so if it's no, you'll see a warning if that prop isn't provided. Also, and then it also says that you also notice that function represents func, which is func represents function. Among the 7 JavaScript primitive types, function and boolean, written as BOOL, are the only 2 that use unusual spellings. In addition to the primitives, there are other types available as well. For example, you can check that a prop is a React element. So if you want to check other options as well, I'll refer to this documentation over here. If you just click the link, it will take you to it. So just to make a note that as of React 15.50, the prop types, if you want to use them, you need to import them independently using this statement. So import prop types from prop-types. Alright, cool. Now that you've hopefully understood the concept behind checking the type of the prop, let's go ahead and have a hands-on experience on it. So it says that define prop type for items a component to require quantity as a prop and verify that it's of type number. So our item component is here, and we need to add in the check for the prop type. So it's done exactly in the way when you would add a default props, but you just have to change the property of it. Alright, so I'll walk you through it. So first of all, I'm gonna type items, and then the prop types I want to change. So I would say prop type, no, it's not handling there, prop type, okay, And then what we want to do is, on what are we checking the prop type? We are checking the prop type on quantity, whether if it's a number or not. Alright, so first of all, we give it the property that we are checking the type of, which in our case is quantity. Alright, and then colon, then we need to check if it's a number or not. So we will say prop types, and then if it's a number or not, and then it also needs to be required at all times. Alright, so this is how you would check the type of the quantity, if it's number or not. I think that's all, to be honest. Yeah. Alright, and I would just give it, say, a quantity of oops, nope, not that one. I would just say a number, which is 3. Okay, let's check if this passes or not. Yes, it passes. Alright guys, I really hope you understood how to use prop types to get the type of, to check the type of the props. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until then, have fun practicing and I'll see you in the next video.